Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever taken CELPIP and felt stuck at the same score, that is CLB 7 or CLB 8, again and again? Not because your English is weak, but because your preparation lacks structure. So here's the truth, most candidates don't realize. Self-pip improvement is not random. It follows a predictable pattern, and when you follow the correct system, your score can improve within a 30 days. Yes, it's true. In this video, I'll show you the exact 30-day self-pip score jump blueprint used by CLB 9 and CLB 10 achievers. This is not theory. Actually, this is a proven preparation system. So let's begin. Section 1. Understanding why most candidates stay stuck. Before we build your 30-day blueprint, you must understand why most candidates stay stuck. It's not because they lack English ability. It's because they lack preparation structure. Most students practice randomly. One day listening, another day speaking, no system, no progression. CELPIP does not reward random improvement. CELPIP rewards consistent performance. So score improvement happens when you train all 4 modules strategically: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Once you follow a structured system, improvement becomes predictable. So now, here is a turning point. The difference between CLB 7 and CLB 10 is not fluency, it's a training structure. So now let's build your exact 30-day blueprint. So, Section 2, the 4-phase 30-day blueprint overview. Your 30-day CELPIP improvement system has 4 phases. Phase 1 is awareness phase. Phase 2 is correction phase. Phase 3 is performance phase. And phase 4 is simulation phase. Each phase prepares your brain differently. This progression transforms your CELPIP performance step by step. Week 1, awareness phase. Week 1 is awareness phase. This week, you do not try to improve immediately. You diagnose your weaknesses. You identify where marks are lost: listening, inference, reading speed, writing structure, and speaking fluency. Well, awareness creates direction, and direction creates improvement. Most candidates skip this phase, and that is why they stuck at the same score. Now let's move to phase where real improvement begins. That is week 2, correction phase. Week 2 is a correction phase. Now you begin fixing your mistakes. You improve sentence structure. You improve grammar accuracy. You improve vocabulary precision. This phase strengthens your foundation. Without correction, improvement is temporary, but with correction, improvement becomes permanent. Week 3, that is a performance phase. Week 3 is a performance phase. Now you train under exam conditions. You improve your response speed, you improve clarity, you improve confidence, and your brain adapts to CELPIP pressure. Performance becomes natural. Well, at this point, most candidates notice their first score jump, but the final phase is what creates CLB 10 consistency. So week 4 is simulation phase. That is again very important. Week 4 is simulation phase. You simulate full CELPIP tests. Your brain becomes familiar with exam pressure. Confidence replaces anxiety. This is where performance stabilizes and score improvement becomes visible. So let's summarize your 30-day blueprint. Week 1 builds awareness. Week 2 builds correction. And week 3 builds performance. And last, week 4 builds simulation readiness. This system transforms CELPIP performance as improvement becomes predictable, not accidental. Well, if your goal is CLB 9 or CLB 10 in CELPIP in 2026, this blueprint gives you the exact path. But remember, watching alone does not improve your scores. So applying this system does. So subscribe this channel because this channel is dedicated to helping you achieve your score. Comment below and tell me your current CELPIP level. I'll help you to reach the next level.